In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add a phone number to your Apple ID. Adding a phone number to your Apple ID is important for security and account recovery purposes. It enables two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security by requiring both your password and a verification code sent to your phone to access your account. This helps protect your account from unauthorized access and keeps your personal information safe. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, tap just right on your Apple ID name. You will then select on this second option of password and security. As you can see, a phone number is already added to my Apple ID. So if you wish to delete, change, or add a number, simply tap on the edit button right here. To remove this current number, click on delete. To add or change to another number, tap right here on add trusted phone number. Enter in your new number right here. A verification code will get sent to that exact number. Choose to either be sent through text message or a phone call. When the code is sent and you enter it, your phone number will get added to your Apple ID account successfully. That's how easy it is to link your phone number to your Apple ID account. If you have any questions regarding to this tutorial, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.